Hello folks, and welcome to your Tuesday afternoon, April 27th WYDOT weather briefing. I'm day weather meteorologist Mark Huer. On and off moderate some heavy snow this afternoon, this evening on the higher elevations of I-80 and on roadways above elevations of about 7,000 feet across south central and southeastern Wyoming. Moderate some heavy rain and possible strong thunderstorms in southeastern plains. Some possible flooding concerns. Scattered rain and snow showers in this evening elsewhere across the state. Then mild and dry Wednesday, warm and dry Thursday and Friday. Here's a shot of I-80 at the summit from earlier this afternoon. That's eastbound I-80 right there. Westbound is over here somewhere. We've had these on and off bands of moderate to heavy snow, convective snow bands this afternoon, and they'll last into this evening before turning in some light to moderate snow. In and around these bands of heavier snow, reduced visibility could pick up a quick 1 to 2 to maybe 3 inches of slush on the roadway and cause some periods of moderate to high impacts after they pass. Some light snow or snow showers, even maybe trending dry for a touch. But as we get in this evening and tonight, a more steadier snowfall should be expected on the higher elevations of I-80 and roadways above about 7,000 feet across south central and southeastern Wyoming, stretching from about Rawlins towards Cheyenne. Here for tonight, it is this blue shaded area here in south central and southeastern Wyoming that we have the biggest weather concerns. That afternoon, rain and or snow in some moderate to heavy snow bands like I just talked about. Then overnight tonight, light to moderate, some heavy snow accumulating possibly to 3 to 6 inches on the higher elevations of I-80, Cheyenne to Laramie, Laramie towards Rawlins, on Highway 30, Highway 130, 230, and roadways all across south central Wyoming from about 7,000 feet and above, looking at moderate to high impacts from the snow, slush, and reduced to poor visibility. We still have that in-between section of rain and snow likely on I-25 tonight from the Colorado state line up towards Chugwater and Wheatland, and it will be this area here that'll be looking at a rain-snow mix or possibly some wet snow and small accumulations from about 6 to 6,500 feet to 7,000 feet. The system isn't all that cold, but lows tonight 6 to 7,000 feet, about 30 degrees. Above 7,000 feet in the mid to upper 20s. Therefore, the heavier snow in the higher elevations. I-25 on eastward out into western Nebraska and also northern Colorado, looking at moderate to heavy rain, some strong thunderstorms here in southeastern Wyoming through this afternoon, anywhere from a half an inch to maybe as much as 1.25 inches to even 1.5 inches of rainfall here in southeastern Wyoming. That could create some concerns for some localized flooding in low-lying areas and a lot of ponding of water on I-80, potentially I-25, Highway 85, and secondary roads here in southeastern Wyoming. Southwestern areas and up towards South Pass. Some scattered rain and snow showers through late this evening, then trending mostly dry. South Pass area over towards Jeffrey City, Beaver Rim, up towards Lander. Might pick up another inch as we get into this evening. Some slick and icy roads and black ice, a possibility here. Elsewhere across much of the central and northern half of the state, decreasing scattered rain and snow showers this evening, then mostly dry overnight tonight with cool and mostly dry conditions in the Bighorn Basin and far northwestern Wyoming. So tonight's the big weather impact across the region, especially here in south central and southeastern Wyoming, and then by tomorrow, we are cool and dry with breezy winds statewide nearly, outside of just some strong winds in the late morning to afternoon hours up here in the northeastern section of the state. Some northwest winds 15 to 30, gusts of 35 to 45. Areas of AM fog going to be likely across east central, central, potentially the upper Wind River Basin, our western valleys, and then the southern third to half of the state. It won't be uniform, but it will be patchy and could be dense in areas, creating some visibility concerns. And it will be the higher elevations of I-80 and then roadways above about 7,000 feet tonight here in south central and southeastern Wyoming that will see lingering road impacts, some moderate to high impacts into early Wednesday morning from slushy, slick roads, even some black ice. Have a great afternoon. Travel safely in south central and southeastern Wyoming this evening and tonight, and enjoy the much nicer weather starting tomorrow and especially Thursday and Friday.